Hello my dear students. Once again welcome back to the lecture series of ICSE 9th Maths. We were doing the sums from chapter number 6, that is indices. In the previous last two videos we completed the sums till question number 5 from Rs Aggarwal. Today we are going to start from question number 6. My name is 𝐒𝐿𝐵𝗲𝐵 and you were watching 𝐿𝐵𝗲 classes. Let's get started. Question number 6, 27 to the power 4 by 3 plus 32 to the power 0.8 plus 0.8 to the power minus 1 plus 0.8 to the power 0. So, let us start with this. 27 can be written as 3 to the power cube. So, I am doing the 6th, the first question. 3 to the power cube, that's for 27. That whole to the power 4 by 3 is there. Plus 32 to the power 0.8. 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5 and 0.8 can be written as 8 upon 10, and that again can be reduced to 2, 4, 2, 5. So 4 upon 5 plus 0.8. 0.8 can be written as 8 upon 10 to the power minus 1. This can be reduced to 4 to 5. So it is 4 by 5 to the power minus 1 and plus 0.8 to the power 0, that is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So here in the next step I get 3 to the power cube into 4 upon 3 plus this will be 2 to the power 5 into 4 upon 5. I guess you understand the property a to the power n whole to the power n is equal to a to the power nn plus this is 4 by 5 to the power minus 1. So I will make the exponent positive. So for that I will write 5 upon 4 to the power 1 and plus 1 is there. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Here 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So this is 3 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 5 upon 4 plus 1. Now we just have to simply solve it. 3 to the power 4 is 81. 2 to the power 4 is 16 plus 5 upon 4 plus 1. So now 81 plus 16 plus 1, that is 81 plus 17 is how much? 98. So it is 98 plus 5 upon 4. We can take 4 as the LCM. So 4 into 98, 392 plus 5. 392 plus 5 is 392 plus 5 is 397 here divided by 4. So we can keep it in the fractional, in the point form we have to give because it is given in points. So let us divide it. 397 upon 4. So I will do it here. 397 divided by 4. So it is coming 99.25. So the answer is 99.25. So this is the answer for the 6th first one. Let us start with the 6th second one. You all can pause the video, can do the sum on your own and then you can check it from here. So the 6th second sum is 27 to the power minus 3. 27 to the power minus 3 divided by 9 to the power minus 3, this whole thing to the power 1 upon 3. So inside the bracket you can see it is 27 to the power minus 3. The exponent is negative. So first I will make the exponent positive. I will write 9 to the power 3, I will take it up, and 27 to the power 3. Both the exponents has become positive because I have changed the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Now this is whole to the power 1 by 3. Now this is coming 9 to the power 3 into 1 by 3 divided by 27 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. I could have taken 9 is equal to 3 square as well, but since I can see here 3 gets cancelled, so I didn't do anything. First I did that. Okay, so 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So we are getting 9 upon 27. Reduce it into the lowest term and the answer will come 1 by 3. So that's the answer for the second one. 6th, the second one was really easy. Now let us start with the 7th, the first one. 7th question, the first one is root 32 minus root 5 whole to the power 1 by 3 and root 32 plus root 5 whole to the power 1 by 3. So now here you can see this property. It is like a to the power m and b to the power m should be equal to a into b whole to the power m. You can see this is a, root 32 minus root 5 is a to the power m into b, root 32 plus root 5, b to the power m. So we can write ab to the power m. So now I will write that a, that is root 32 minus root 5 into b, that is root 32 plus root 5, and this whole to the power m, that is 1 by root 3. Now here you can see this is a minus b into a plus b. So we have a formula for that, that is a square minus b square, and this whole to the power 1 by 3 is there. Okay, now root 32 square is 32, root 5 square is 5. This whole thing to the power 1 by 3. 32 minus 5 will be 27. 27 to the power 1 by 3. Now 27 is 3 to the power 3. This whole to the power 1 by 3. Now I hope you all understood. 3 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So the answer is 3. So that's the answer for the 7th, the first one. The second question. 9 to the power 5 by 2. So 9 can be written as 3 square. This to the power 5 by 2 minus 3 into 4 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So I'll put 1 here, minus 1 by 81 to the power minus half. So I'll make it positive. So I'll write 81 upon 1. That to the power half is there. Now 3 square, this is 3 square into 5 upon 2 minus 3 minus, this is, we can say it is 81 to the power half divided by 1 to the power half. Here 3 and 3 get, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 3 to the power 5 minus 3 minus. 81 can be written as 9 square, that whole to the power half is there. Here 1 to the power half is 1 only. So this is 3 to the power 5 minus 3 minus 9 to the power 2 into 1 by 2, 2 gets cancelled. So I get, now 3 to the power 5 I will just write 3 to the power 4 is 81 into 3. So that is 243. So we get 243 for 3 to the power 5 minus 3 minus 9, which will give you 243 minus 12. Now just do it. This is 1, this is 3, 231. So the final answer is 231. So that's the answer for the second one. Now the next set of sums are simplified. Question number 8, you can see 3 to the power n into 9 to the power n plus 1 divided by 3 to the power n minus 1 into 9 to the power n minus 1. So let us do this. The 8th question here. First I'll write 3 to the power n as it is. Now in place of 9 I'll write 3 square and that whole to the power n plus 1 divided by 3 to the power n minus 1 I'll write this way. 3 to the power n into 3 to the power minus 1. 3 to the power minus 1. How it is? When the bases are same, powers can be added. So if the powers are in the added form, so that means we can separate it out. It is 3 to the power n into 3 to the power minus 1 into 9 is 3 square and that whole to the power n minus 1 is there. Now this is 3 to the power n into, this will come 3 to the power 2n plus 1, that is 3 to the power 1. I am separating this out. So 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 1 divided by, this is 3 to the power n, this 3 to the power minus 1 I will take it up so that it becomes positive, and we are getting 3 to the power 2n, again 3 to the power 2n, acha chalo, we'll write it 3 to the power 2n minus 2, 2n minus 2. Okay, now here in this case, this is 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 2n. It is also written as 3 to the power n whole to the power 2. Anyways, we'll keep it as it is. 3 to the power 1 plus 1 it is. Bases are same, powers we added. Here it is 3 to the power n into, this is 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power minus 2. Okay, so now you can see this is bases are same, so powers we can just subtract 3 to the power n minus n. Into here also bases are same, powers will subtract 3 to the power 2n minus n to n into this is 3 to the power 2 and this 3 to the power minus 2 I will take it up so that it become 3 to the power 2 positive. So now here it is 3 to the power 0, this is also 3 to the power 0 and this is 3 to the power 2 plus 2. These two can be added because bases are same. Anything to the power 0 is 1, so 1 into 3 to the power 4. Now 3 to the power 4 is 81. So the answer for the 8th one is 81. I hope you all understood. This is like, I'll explain you one more time. If it is 3 to the power 2n plus 2 suppose. So how do we get this? This can be written as 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 2 because when the bases are same, then only we do the powers we can add, right? So from here we can separate it out like this. So that particular concept I have used in this sum. Okay, let us do the next question. The 9th question. 27 to the power 2n by 3. So 27 first of all can be written as 3q and that whole to the power 2n upon 3. Into 8 to the power n upon 6, 8 can be written as 2 to the power q whole to the power n upon 6 divided by 18 to the power n upon 2. 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 and that whole to the power n by 2 is there. 18 I have just written the prime factors of 18, that is 2 into 3 into 3. So now this will be 3 to the power cube into 2n by 3. This is 2 to the power cube into n by 6 divided by this will be 2 to the power n by 2 into 3 to the power n by 2 into 3 to the power n by 2. I hope everyone understood. If it is AB whole to the power m, we write it as a to the power m into b to the power m. That property I have used here in the denominator. Okay, now this is 3 and 3 gets cancelled, so I get 3 to the power 2n into, here this will be 2 to the power n by 2 divided by 2 to the power n by 2 into 3 to the power n by 2 into 3 to the power n by 2. Now, this is 2 to the power 3 to the power 2n, I am writing it as it is 2n into. Here you can see 2 to the power n by 2 and 2 to the power n by 2. The bases are same, powers can be subtracted. So it will be 2 to the power n by 2 minus n by 2. And down I get 3 to the power n by 2 and 3 to the power n by 2. The bases are same, powers can be added. So it is 3 to the power. It is 3 to the power n by 2 plus n by 2. So this is 3 to the power 2n. Here it is into 2 to the power 0. Down you have 3 to the power, LCM is 2. N by 2 plus n by 2. So that is n plus n. That will become 2n. So 2n by 2. So it is 3 to the power 2n into 1 divided by 3 to the power 2n by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 3 to the power only n. Now again the bases are same. Powers can be subtracted. So it will be, should I write it here? Okay, so it is 3 to the power 2n minus n. 3 to the power 2n minus n. The answer will be 3 to the power n. I'll just check this answer from the back. I have little doubt. This is question number 9, exercise 6. So, question number 9, 3 to the power, no, this is correct answer. So the answer will remain as it is for the 9th sum. Okay. Let us do the next question. So the question number 10th now. Question number 10th. It's 5 to the power 2 whole into n plus 6 can be written as 5 to the power 2n plus 12. I just multiplied 2n plus 6 into 2 is 12 into 25 can be written as 5 square and that to the power minus 7 plus 2n is there divided by 125 can be written as 5 cube and that whole to the power 2n is there. So now we'll write this can be written as 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 12. Again the same thing, I just separated them out into this will be 5 to the power minus 14 plus 4n Now down we have 5 to the power 6n. So now this is 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 12 into 5 to the power minus 14 into 5 to the power 4n divided by 5 to the power 6n. Now this and this I can take together. All of the bases are same. We can actually take everything together and process it, but I am taking the n quantities together and the constant term like this together. So I am taking this as 5 to the power 2n plus 4n, because bases are same, powers we can add, and this divided by 5 to the power 6n is there, into here I am taking 5 to the power 12 plus minus 14. Again the bases are same 5, so we can add the powers. So here we are getting 5 to the power 6n divided by 5 to the power 6n into 5 to the power minus 2. Now this will be again, bases are same, so powers can be subtracted, and this I will make it positive, so I'll take it down. So I'm getting 5 to the power 0, I'll just do it here at this part. I'm getting it as 5 to the power 0 and divided by 5 square, that is 1 upon 25. Anything to the power 0 is 1, so 1 into 1 upon 25, so the answer is 1 upon 25 for the 10th sum. Okay, I hope everybody is understanding. Please, you can pause the video, can do the sum on your own, and then check it from here, so you will understand it better. Okay, so starting with the 11th sum, 5 to the power n plus 3 can be written as 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 3. There is a minus sign. 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4, and then into 5 to the power n plus 1 can be written as 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 1 divided by 12 can be written as, the prime factors of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, and into 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n minus 2 into, this is 5 to the power n plus 1, so can be written as 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 1. So I have splitted everything. Now from here I can see 5 to the power n is common. So I'll take 5 to the power n common. Inside the bracket it will be 5 to the power cube minus 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 1. Actually we could have taken 5 to the power 1 also common, but it's okay, no problem. Down we have again 5 to the power n common. So take 5 to the power n common. Inside the bracket it is 2 into 3 minus 2 into 5 to the power 1. So here bases are same. For this particular part we can subtract the powers 5 to the power n minus 1. Now in the numerator, inside the bracket we have 125 minus 2 to the power 5 is 16 into 5. 16 into 5. Divided by, here we have, this is 12 minus 5 into 2 is 10. So this is what we get. 5 to the power 0. This is your 125 minus 16 into 5 is 80 divided by, here we get 2. 12 minus 10 is 2. So 5 to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. 125 minus 80. So that will give you 45. So it is 45 divided by 2. So the answer is 45 upon 2, that is 22.5. Let me just check this answer once. It is exercise 6, question number 11. 22.5 is the right answer. So here we have done till question number 11. Now let us see some more questions. So let us do some more same type of sums so that it will be a good practice for you. Question number 12 we are doing now. So you can try it on your own. Just pause the video and try it on your own. 3 into 27 to the power n plus 1. So 3 into 27 can be written as 3 cube, and that whole to the power n plus 1 plus 9. 9 can be written as 3 square into 3 to the power 3n into 3 to the power minus 1. I splitted that up. Divided by 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube into 3 to the power 3n minus 5 into 27, that is 3 to the power 3 whole to the power n is there. Okay. So now this will be 3 into 3 to the power 3n into 3 to the power 3. I just splitted this. 3 to the power, it is 3 to the power 3n plus 3. 3n plus 3 can be written as 3 to the power 3n into 3 to the power 3 plus 3 square into 3 to the power 3n into 3 to the power minus 1. Now we can do what? 3 to the power 3n 3 to the power 3n. We can take common. So it is 3 to the power 3n taken common. So inside the bracket we have 3 into 3q plus 3 square into 3 to the power minus 1. This is there inside the bracket. Oh, I didn't do the denominator, sorry. So this will do in the next step. Okay, so I just took 3 to the power 3n, I have to take it common. From down also, first we'll write down the down thing, that is 2q into 3 to the power 3n minus 5 into 3 to the power 3n. Now from the numerator I'll take 3 to the power 3n common. So it is 3 into 3q plus 3 square into 3 to the power minus 1. Now from the denominator I will take 3 to the power 3n common again. So 3 to the power 3n common, so it gives you 2 cube minus 5. Okay. Now see this part is giving me, the bases are same, so powers I can subtract 3n minus 3n. Now see this part, this is the bases are same, powers can be added. So this will be 3 to the power 1 plus 3 plus same thing here 3 to the power 2 minus 1 divided by this whole thing divided by, we have 2 to the power cube, that is 8 minus 5 we have. Okay. Now this is 3 to the power 3n minus 3n is 3 to the power 0. Now in the bracket we are having 3 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by, we have 3 here. Okay. Now I'll just erase this part. So now 3 to the power 0 is 1 into 3 to the power 4 is 81 plus 3 and down we have 3. So 81 plus 3 is how much? 84 upon 3. So that will be reduced. You can reduce it with 3. 3, 2, 6, 2, 4, 3, 8. So 28 is the answer for the 12th one. Okay. Except in all the sums. 13. 5 into 25 to the power n plus 1. So 5 into 25 is 5 square whole to the power n plus 1 minus 25, so that is 5 square into 5 to the power 2n divided by 5 into 5 to the power, so 5 into 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power cube. I have plated this up. Minus 25 is 5 square and that whole to the power n plus 1. I hope everyone is understanding. Now I am doing the same, using the same concept everywhere. So now this is equal to 5 into, this is 5 into 2 to the power n, 5 to the power 2 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 2. This is 2n plus 2, so that can be splitted up again. Minus 5 square into 5 to the power 2n divided by, this is 5 into 5 to the power 2n into 5 cube minus 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 2. Now see what is getting common from here. We can take 5 to the power 2n common and 5 to the power square also common. So I am taking 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power square common. Inside the bracket 5 is there, minus here nothing is there, means it is only 1. Down I can take 5 to the power 2n and also 5 square again. So 5 to the power 2n into 5 square I take from here. So here I have 5 square I have taken, so 1 5 and another 5. So 5 square is remaining minus, here everything is taken, so 1 is remaining. So now this is your 5 to the power 2n minus 2n. This part is giving me 5 to the power 2n minus 2n and this part is giving me 5 to the power 2 minus 2 into 5 to the power 2 minus 2. This part is giving me 4, this whole thing into 4 and divided by 5 square is 25, 25 minus 1 is 24, so I have 24 down. So now this is 5 to the power 0 into this is also 5 to the power 0, 4 upon 24. You can cancel this, so the answer is anything to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 upon 6, the answer is 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 is the answer. Okay? Yes, so the 14th sum is 7 to the power 2n plus 3. So that can be written as 7 to the power 2n into 7 to the power 3 minus 49. So that's 7 square whole to the power n plus 2 divided by 343 is your 7 cube whole to the power n plus 1 and this whole to the power 2 by 3. Let us do it step by step. This is 7 to the power 2n. We can't do anything. We will keep it as it is. 7 to the power cube minus this is 7 to the power 2n into 7 to the power 2 into 2 is 4 divided by 7 to the power 3n plus 3, and this whole thing to the power, okay, 7 to the power 3n plus 3, we'll write it this way because it will get cancelled actually. So we'll write it this way, 7 to the power 3 whole into n plus 1, and this whole to the power 2 by 3, so that into 2 by 3. So what happens is 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So I didn't multiply these two, okay. So this is 7 to the power 2n into 7 to the power cube minus 7 to the power 2n into 7 to the power 4 divided by, here you have 7 to the power, this is 2n plus 2, 2n plus 2. So this is, from here I will take 7 to the power 2n common, so it is 7 to the power cube minus 7 to the power 4 divided by, this is your 7 to the power 2n into 7 to the power 2. Now, this is 7 to the power 2n minus 2n from these two parts, 7 to the power 2n minus 2n we got. From here I can take again 7 common, 7 cube common, so it will be 1 minus 7, and from denominator we have 7 square, so I have written 7 square over here. Now this is coming 0, 7 to the power 0, so 7 to the power 0 into. Now this is again we can write 7 to the power 3 minus 2, so it is 7 to the power 3 minus 2 into, from here it is coming minus 6. So 7 to the power 3 minus 2 is 7 to the power 1, this is 1. So it is 1, this is 7 to the power 1, and this is minus 6. So finally we have 7 into minus 6, that is minus 42. So the answer for the 14th one is minus 42. So we do question number 15 now. X to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3. X to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 plus x to the power minus 2 by 3. Now this sum is very easy. You can see same quantity is subtracted from same quantity. So this particular part will give me 0. So 0 into anything, 2 to the power 3 plus 1 plus x to the power minus 2 to the power 3. 0 into anything is 0. So the answer for the 15th one is 0. So today we have completed till question number 15 from Rs Aggarwal. In the next video, I will be doing the sums from question number 16. If you are thinking, if you feel these videos are beneficial for you, please subscribe the channel and press the like button. I'll come up with more chapters in the near future. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.